With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that as compared to the whole body, the head of a newborn human baby is how much, right? So here we need to find out that a newborn's head is very large as compared to the body's length. So the cranium is also enormous. So that means cranium is quite large at the time of birth. So normally it is seen that the normal head circumference for a full term infant is 33 to 36 centimeter at the time of birth. While in the cranium, there are certain soft regions which have not fused to each other, and these soft regions are called as fontanelles. So fontanelles are the soft regions. Later on, they fuse and lot of changes occur in the fontanelles, and due to this the human skull becomes approximately 1/7 of the full body length. But here we need to find out the head of a newborn baby. That will be approximate 1/4 of the total body length. So here we can mark option number 4 as a right answer for this question. So let's mark this as the correct answer, whereas the other options which are given here can be marked as the wrong ones because they are not the right answers. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.